Hey guys, it's been a long time I haven't put a video up, but I wanted to make a quick video here. It's a 2007 Dodge pickup. As many of you know, this is the HVAC blend doors break in these units. Now, I'm not going to share with you how to do this here. This video is more directed to techs who do this daily. I haven't did one of these in many years. And service information was good, except for one bolt that I had to find on my own, and that's why I'm making this video really. But I also wanted to show you that the service information is asking you to take this whole this seat apart, remove the entire seat assembly so you can lay the dash. Now, that's not what I did here, obviously. You can also see that I left the steering column there as well. I put the seat all the way back as far as I could and just put the steering wheel and laid it down, and this is what I did with the dash. Now you have one bolt there, a stud there, and another stud there. Now, this is where I had some challenges, but figured it out. Wasn't a huge deal. I hope this flashlight that I'm going to use doesn't put a tremendous glare. But you see, this is one bolt hole right here. You see that right there? That needs to come out. And there's one right behind there. You see that right there? Where my light is shining, and it sits right behind the coolant reservoir. And that one was the challenging one to take out. What the tool that I used was this gear wrench, or I think it's Mountain, with the wobble head on it, but you notice the depth of it right here? Yeah, that worked just fine. It was actually a 10. That saved me from having to take this reservoir battery out and take this whole thing out. Now, I thought I'd share that with you. I guess you can call it a tip, but more than anything, to help you who hasn't touched one of these in a long time like myself. I hope this video helps you out. I did find an evaporator that was leaking on this, so even though it didn't come in for that, I found that the AC was Freon was 0.2 pounds. This evaporator was leaking. Now, do yourself a favor, just pull out the heater core. I found so much debris beneath this here when I pulled the heater core out, blew it all out. But this is the door that's fractured. You see that? I've already checked the recirculator door. It works fine. This door right here works well. This is the part number for that lower half. That's the dealer part. You will get that entire assembly minus the blower motor and the resistor. Hope this helps someone out there. We'll see you.